I'm a beached whale with a sail for eyes, and I have fins for thighs. I'm a starving anorexic sitting in the middle of a Walmart. I'm a thirsty camel in the middle of the desert. Dessert. I'm a beard, I can't shave. No waves, I can't behave. I'm a Reese's peanut butter cup sitting in the ocean with 2 potions. I eat cocoa butter for lunch. I can't munch. I'm a fruit cup and a fruit lunch. I'm fruit punch. I'm peanut butter and chocolate. I'm out. We got fucking robbed.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You wanna start off with what? We gonna tear shit up?
I should let the turntables talk for me at first, and then I should finish the rest.
Tiro dini 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 dini. Tiro dini 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 dini. Tiro dini 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 dini. Hey yo, what up? Hey yo, what's poppin' and shit? Yo, this your man Goes Dini and shit. Try to get you on the side. Money come first, then on unit. Hey yo, somebody's niggas.
Hey yo, what's poppin' out in Stapleton Park? Hoppin' the V's, call ghost, special invited host. Ring through the seas, sun beaming like 100 degrees. Yo, Tone, hurry up, get your ass in the truck. It's time to leave.
Hold on, I gotta polish my ring, throwing my Crocs, and you know I can't iron my garments without the stars. Just double park, give me 10 minutes or less. I overslept, my bitch left, and my crib is a mess.
If you're not down, MC or DJ off the stage.
It's a theater event, so they blocked off the street. And we came here to chill, but the cops wanna beef. Little kids shooting hoops on the court, playing horse. All the young bucks rocking new gear, trying to floor.
Say no more, let's motivate. Trife, throw on your poker face. Spin around the block one time so we can scope the place. Yeah, it's looking lavish and the scene looks wonderful. Pockets full of trees and my shit look colorful.
We got the X-Men spinning on the 1s and 2s. No drugs, no violence, leave home the guns and tools. And the grill's just cooking up chicken and steak. And greedy ass Uncle Ronnie, yo, he licking the plate.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got Black Thought in the house tonight. Yo, he just came from off tour. I think he wanna spit something.
Yo, we executing with the rapid fire, peeling your face off. Spraying up the party from the ceiling with napalm. Shots follow the target, I ain't gonna chase y'all. Swinging aluminum bat, that's not for baseball. It's humor, the way y'all making me laugh. I'm like a natural born hustler, got to get that cash the way a natural born free. Gotta shake that ass, and anybody wanna eat, got to break that fast. A million crabs in the barrel trying to make they splash. Quick, way fast, nice brothers finishing last. It don't matter the speakers or the hammer can blast. They handle your ass, front and I'ma take your stash and twist it and bake the whole project's biscuits. This kid is a trendsetter, y'all just misfits. Black Thought, I've been better, y'all just forgetting shit. Now this a life or death predicament. I step in with a vendetta, then start spitting shit. The spit game just ridiculous. Y'all motherfuckers insignificant. I'm 357 magnificent. Stay playing with them bad bitches. You feeling me, man? You know they finna lift the semi-automatic band. They finna have them in the ghetto going at it, man. They bring it to your block, have it like Pakistan. Philly boys bringing noise, making wild static. And them trick cops even jump out vans and leave you sprayed out. Stiffer than a mannequin stands, you get laid out. Clap with mechanical hands that kick back, hus. You and your mans that get zapped. Just keep thinking my peoples and peoples a toy with. I cold-blooded kill shit and keep on doing it. Cause that's my pleasure, that's the people's enjoyment. Gangsters holler at me if you seeking employment.